Hey guys, Bombardier Customs here. This is my 2003 Bombardier Quest 650. I've just uploaded a video on how to redo the front and rear racks on the ATV. However, I'm having a current issue and I'll show you how to fix it. The issue I'm having is when you're trying to put it from park into reverse, neutral, and your high and low gears. I was having a hard time being able to even move the shifting lever when the ATV's turned on. So I'll show you how to fix that. So what we're going to do is take off the seat first. Now, when I bought the ATV, the old owner was trying to tell me that you had to roll it back and forth a little bit in order to shift it. However, that didn't make a whole lot of sense. So what ended up being the issue is the motor was actually idling too high. So when you're trying to shift it from park to reversed or from reverse into high or low gears, the bike was actually partially in gear, so it's wanting to go. So what you need to do is actually adjust the idle on the engine, on the carburetor, and you want to slow down the idle a little bit. So I'll show you where that's at. So this is your carburetor. Right here is your idle for your carburetor. So to turn the idle up and down, you turn this little knob right here. So we'll start it so you can hear. So to turn the idle up, you turn it clockwise. Turn the idle down, you turn it counterclockwise. What I found great about there is the sweet spot where you're able to shift. If the idle's too high, I wasn't even able to barely move that forward. So again guys, this is just a short video when you're having issues on your Bombardier Quest, when you're driving and you can't get it shifted from park into gears, such as reverse, neutral, forward, high, and low. So instead of just reefing on this, when it's going, slow down your idle on your carburetor. Again, it takes literally 20 seconds to do, and find that sweet spot where it's still shifting fine. You don't want to turn the idle down too low or your bike could potentially stall out. So just find the good sweet spot on your ATV and adjust that, and then that will save you from having to fight with this. Again, the last owner was telling me you had to rock it back and forth in order to shift it into at a park into the gears, which is wrong. So again, slow your idle down on your bike, and this should work for probably several other different types of bikes, such as the Can-Am, Hondas, and whatnot, with the side shift. Because the last thing you want to do is break your shifter here. And it was almost getting to the point of trying to force this to shift it into gear. So again, turn your idle down. Again, I hope that helps some of you out there. If it does, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Any tips, please feel free to leave them below. And the next video on the Bombardier Quest is going to be an oil change and checking the differential fluids and antifreeze and whatnot. Thanks for watching. Take care.